I think I fooled everyone when putting in the jalapeno peppers. Have you ever had miniature T-bone steaks before? Well, we are gonna cook them today. I got these awesome miniature T-bone steaks. Don't they just look amazing? These things are so cool. I can't wait to start cooking with them. Look at the fat cap on these things. It's so big. And the intramuscular fat is fantastic. The color of the meat is nice, dark and red. This is going to mean flavor, flavor, flavor. And can't wait to score into it, put some salt in and start grilling. But before we're going to do that, I got the most amazing sauce to go with it. Let's start cooking. Put a large skillet over direct heat. Pour in 100 milliliters of peanut oil, 125 grams of clarified butter, 5 onions cut in pieces, and then let the onions fry for at least 45 minutes at a really low temperature. This is an important part of the process. I can't stress this enough. Go slow, go for a long time. Put 10 cloves of garlic into a blender, add a piece of fresh ginger and 4 sliced jalapenos. Grind it up and add the puree to the pan. Let it fry another 10 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of curcuma powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Give it a quick stir and then add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Season to taste with salt and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. And our sauce is done, so it's time to start grilling our miniature T-bone steaks. I want to know the time code when you had that moment like, hey, that's lamb. Or like, hey, he's making a curry. Yes, because that's exactly what we were doing. And let me tell you, this smells amazing. I'm freaking out here. So we're going to go right to the taste test.
I was convinced that it was beef. Okay, in the end he told me lamb is actually one of my favorites, so I'm just gonna eat.
Marcel will clean it up later. Don't worry.
What? It's been so long that I had lamb chops. I'm addicted to these.
The lamb is perfection. It's just grilled with a little bit of salt. But the lamb of this lamb flavor wasn't heavy. It was just like a nice, like beef flavor, but then lamb flavor.
If you never had lamb, you must try it. It's not for everyone, but you just have to get over it. You just have it, right?
This is for everyone. And having like a little snack like this and just, you don't need a knife and fork for that. You just eat it with your hands like a real man.
But my female companion always complains that she don't like it.
Your who?
Female companion.
Your girlfriend.
Yeah. Yeah, but she's the type that doesn't like cilantro either. Let's go for that curry.
It's like biting into a lamb. It's kind of hot like biting into a lamb. It's just the first little bite, you get a little bit of heat in your front of your mouth and then it disappears again. but it's kind of aggressive, but it doesn't hurt. You know what I mean?
It's not spicy, but it is spicy.
I guess they have to try it, but I think I fooled everyone when putting in the jalapeno peppers. That was the point where everybody thought, well, hold on, what's this? And then it turned all green, and everybody was thinking, no way, this is not a curry. Nah, no curry.
It's so good.
With all that being said, it's time to finish off because I gotta finish that plate and I'm kinda hungry. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. See you guys on the next one. Did I say a big thank you to the patrons already?
I don't know.
See, Morrison wasn't paying attention. See, I trapped him. Big thank you to our patrons and the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk!
and keep on grilling. That's right. See, I fooled you.
Oh yeah.
I got you good.
Yeah, I was busy eating.
You're busy eating. Dude, you were looking at my steak again. I like the fat on it. Normally you never get that much fat on lamb chop. This is a good one.
In my opinion, the fat bits are the best.
How's that t-shirt coming along? Or the hoodie?
It's done.
It's already finished?
Yeah.
Never trust someone who says his girlfriend is a female companion. That's something aliens say. Are you an alien? You're secretly an alien. Oh my God, I just realized. You are. I'm gonna call Joe Rogan on you.
Yeah?
Yeah. See? Aliens are eating our food. I knew it all along.
What do you know about your dog?
It's white. It's white. And it barks. And it eats the leftovers.